Let's create a Facebook account just using your mobile number without using any email address. If you don't have Facebook application on your device, open Play Store, then type and search Facebook, then you can download and install that application. After install, open the application. When you are opening the application the first time, it will show like this. Then tap Create New Facebook Account. Tap Next. Enter your first name and last name. Again tap Next. Here, provide your birthday. Make sure to set your birthday as more than 13. Tap Next. Here, select your gender type. Again tap Next. Here you have to provide your mobile number. First, enter your country code. Then enter rest of other numbers. After entering your mobile number, tap Next. Here, you have to enter a password. It is better if you can provide a strong password. After entering password, tap Next. Now tap Sign Up. Then it is creating your account. Just wait a second. At the top, now you clearly see I just received an SMS from Facebook. If you open that SMS, you can find a verification code. Then it will ask to save your password. It is better if you can save your password as well as remember your phone number and password. Just tap OK. Here, enter the verification code that you received through the SMS. Sometimes you have to enter the verification code, but sometimes it will pick automatically, like this. Now I don't want to upload my profile picture, then I will tap Skip. As well as I don't want to add any friend right now, then I will tap Skip. I tap Skip in the pop-up window also. Then I will not save my login details, but it is better if you can save your login details too. Now you have successfully created a Facebook account using your mobile number. If you go to your personal info, there is no any email address. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.